What's up, everybody? Captain Dennis coming at you with a little video today. And as some of you may know and some of you may not, my favorite thing to do is go sailing. But there's not always wind. Or you may not have somebody to go sailing with. So what do you do when you want a need for speed? You cop a bike. I decided to get this bike from REI. It's called the Co-op Dirt 1.1, and I chose this bike because of the price and just because it all around looked like a good beginner bike. So here I am setting it up. I looked at a few bikes when deciding on which one I wanted to get. And I decided for the price range that this would be the best option for me. I wanted to keep it simple and go with an easy hardtail, something that I could ride around my neighborhood and around Eagle Creek and around the trails. Once I got it all set up, I decided to take my bike down to the beach. Cruising fast, hitting the brakes as I'm going down. Amazing, nothing like it. Almost felt like I was out on the Hobie. Definitely enjoyed riding this bike down to the beach.